Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So after a long time, the Mi Note series is going to make a comeback. In January 2015, Xiaomi had launched its first ever Mi Note and Mi Note Pro flagship smartphones. The Mi Note 2 was announced in October 2016 after the Mi Note 3 phone was made official in September 2017. After that, Xiaomi hadn't launched any new Mi Note series phone. A reliable tipster Ice Universe says Xiaomi will restart the Note series smartphone and will release the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 flagship mobile phone at the end of October. And I believe him because Xiaomi is going to close the Redmi Note lineup and start the Mi Note lineup. You will understand more about this if you watch my another video, which I will link somewhere. Recent reports by XDA developers has revealed MIUI 11 beta includes a code for a refresh rate display setting that provides options to switch between 60Hz and 120Hz. Hence, it appears Xiaomi may launch a smartphone with 120Hz refresh rate in the near future. In fact, it's not unlikely that the Note 10 will be Xiaomi's first smartphone with a 90Hz or even 120Hz refresh rate in the display. Nonetheless, the Mi Note 10 is expected to debut as a flagship device, hence it is likely to feature the Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC, considering the launch takes place on October 24th. But if it doesn't, then we might get to see Snapdragon 865 processor and the phone might launch in the year 2020. The publication has also claimed that the source code of MIUI 11 has reference like Tele 5x and Ultra Tele, along with the description that reads, "Use 50x zoom to capture distant object in greater details." These findings indicate that there could be a Xiaomi smartphone that may offer photography features like 5x optical zoom and 50x digital zoom. We are also missing details on the most important part of the puzzle: how Xiaomi will achieve the zoom capability on this device. Will it use a periscopic lens module like the Huawei P30 Pro and Oppo Reno 10X zoom, or what will be the physical and equivalent focal length be, and how big will the sensor be? Now enough about that, there are just lot of questions if we get too deep into that. Unfortunately, being at the near of the expected launch date, we don't have enough information about this device. Only the image of the box is available with few leaks and no other information. But hope for the best. As soon as some new information pops out, I will let you know. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit like and share the video. Peace out.